So today I'm gonna be filming a summer glam tutorial, and this is a really effortless, super easy makeup tutorial. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, make sure to keep on watching and let's get into it. Okay. I'm gonna start off using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. And if you guys didn't see a video I did on this, check it out. I did a review on the Makeup Revolution, like full face kind of thing, so check it out, you guys. Brush. I'm gonna take kind of like a fluffy flattish brush, you know, this kind of brush, and I'm gonna use my Stila palette, which is very loved. Well, these three colors are very loved, but I'm gonna take this shade right, and I'm gonna set, not the whole, just put it underneath my eyebrow. Now with the big blending brush, I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is called Individual, and I'm just gonna put it on my crease and a little bit above my crease, if that makes sense. Just blend it. It's gonna be, and by the way, it's okay if this look is messy. It's not supposed to be perfect. It's supposed to be like a quick summer glam, like, you know, if you have a wedding party to go to, and then, or if you have, or you just want to look fancy today, or you have a quinceañera, o no sé, una carne asada por ahí, like anything, you know. Now I'm gonna take a smaller blending brush. I'm gonna take this one, a smaller blending brush. By the way, most of my brushes, I'm gonna take this color right here. Most of my brushes, I get them from BH Cosmetics. I'm just gonna take the same blending brush that we use for the first color, except I'm not gonna put any product in it. I'm just gonna blend that darker brown, you know, so they look one. Okay, now I'm gonna take a flat brush. Okay, I'm gonna take this color right here, which is a gold, and just apply that all over my lid. I'm gonna take the dark brown blending brush, the one that we use for the dark brown, but I'm not gonna put any product whatsoever. I'm just gonna blend that gold out so it doesn't look so harsh. They're popping fireworks and 4th of July is over, so okay, now I'm gonna take the gold glitter. This is Golden Tiara. Let's see if it'll focus. Fun fact, if you guys wanted to know a little something about me, I hate popping fireworks. A lot of people like them, but I hate them because me da cosa, you know, like, what if one jumps on me y me quema and it pops on me? I know, oh my god. Like, I'm not up for it, but I like watching them. Like, I love watching them. I think they're so beautiful. But I don't like popping them. I know, weird. I'm basically applying the glitter everywhere, like all over the lid, but I'm mainly focusing it in the inner corner, mid lid area, and then the leftover glitter, I'm kind of like dragging it to the outer. I don't know if that makes sense, like if you see what I'm trying to do, but I'm gonna line my eyes. I'm not gonna do a wing because I'm just gonna do it that way, like the lashes blend better. But I'm gonna take the BH Cosmetics eyeliner. I do not recommend this liner to do a wing. I tried the other day to do a wing with it because I never used it to do a wing with it. I just use it to do a regular line. Terrible. I had a wing going this way and one going this way. Like, what? How does that even happen? I have no idea. I'm gonna take the Magic Anti-Redness Primer first because the foundation that I'm gonna use, it's light to medium coverage. So I'm gonna take the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, and I'm just gonna apply that on my T-zone. I'm gonna take the Master Camo from Maybelline, and I'm just gonna take that green concealer, and I'm gonna use this brush. It's a little small deluxe crease brush, at least that's what it says, and this is a brush from Real Techniques. And the foundation I'm gonna use today is the Benefit Hello Happy, which is their new foundation. And this is a good one for the summer because it does have SPF. So if you're actually gonna wear this type of makeup like outdoors and stuff, you want something that has SPF because you're always trying to protect yourself from the sun. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. foundation brush. I'm gonna set my face using, you guys already know, Maybelline Fit Me Set and Smooth, which is broken and almost done, and I know I have to get a new one. But I'm gonna use the Expert Face Brush from Real Techniques. I love this brush. This brush to set my face, oh, it's amazing. I like to feel really light for the summer. And this foundation is super lightweight. It doesn't even feel like I'm wearing anything at all. So I recommend it a lot. Because it's a summer glam makeup, I'm going to set my face using the Sport Fix, which is extra hold. And you guys, this face primer, Jesus, it works amazing. Not face primer, setting spray. It is the best setting spray besides the Urban Decay All Nighter that I have used. It is amazing. I recommend it a lot. Now I'm gonna contour using the NYX contour palette. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use this brush. I'm gonna use this brush. This is brush number 3. It came in the rose quartz set, I believe. I'm pretty sure it did. And it's from BH Cosmetics, Obby. Can't forget to contour the nose. You guys know I'm gonna bake using the Airspun translucent powder. Go back into my Stila palette because now we're gonna go back into the eyes, and I'm gonna take that small brush. And I'm going to take that dark brown and I'm just going to put it in the outer corner. That's it. And I'm going to take the brush that had the glitter on, and then with the leftover glitter, I'm just going to put a little bit on the bottom. Okay, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild highlight powder in the shade Megalo. I think that's the name. Gorgeous. It's this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous color. Look at that. It's so pretty. Gorgeous rose gold. And above that, I'm gonna put the Tarte's Pro Glow in this one right here. these are the lashes I'm gonna use today. For mascara, I'm gonna take the Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara, and this is a sample size that I got a while back. Now I'm gonna brush off the bake. I'm gonna take an e.l.f. brush, contouring brush, which I don't really use this for contouring. I like to use it to take off the bake. For blush, I'm going to use two different blushes. I'm going to mix the Bronze Face Blush. I don't know where this is from, and I lost the top to it. But that one. And the Maybelline Dream Bouncy Blush in the color Candy Coral. I love this brush to highlight, and it's the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush, but I love it because look at it, like it has the right amount of bristles, and it's small so it can fit in like the nose and get it the right way. But I'm gonna do the same thing I use for the inner corner. I'm gonna mix those two highlights again. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's raining really hard. Okay, I'm gonna apply the same setting spray one more time. And for lips, I'm gonna use the Pacifica. What shade is this? Tender Heart, and it's a beautiful nudish, coralish, pinkish, colorish. Okay, and I'm gonna put some gloss over it, and this is a LA Colors High Shine Shea Butter lip gloss, and these lip glosses are actually pretty good. It doesn't say what shade this is in, because I know they have more than one shade in this brand or this collection or whatever. I don't know if you guys heard that, but oh my god, está lloviendo duro. And setting spray one more time, and that's the finished look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more different kinds of videos, like I know my face is actually looking a lot better than what it did when I first started, or like a year ago. If you guys want to see my skincare routine, let me know. If you guys want to see more hair tutorials, or this is actually manicure I did myself, so if you guys want to see a manicure tutorial, an eyebrow tutorial, how to put on eyelashes, just comment all that below, and I'll be sure to make those videos for you. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you would like to see more makeup tutorials, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.